Ever wonder what the future holds for the Helium token, otherwise known as HNT? Well, you're about to get an in-depth look into the current landscape of this digital asset, and let me tell you, it's a wild ride. Now keep in mind that the world of cryptocurrency is always in flux, as volatile as the seas during a storm, and HNT is no exception. Right now, the Helium token is experiencing a significant bearish trend. The current price? A mere $4.12. And if you think that's a drop in the bucket, just wait until you hear about the intraday drop. We're talking a whopping 5.22%. In the grand scheme of things, this is a serious blow to HNT's market standing. But remember, this is the world of crypto we're talking about. One day, you're up, the next day, you're down. It's a roller coaster, but that's part of the thrill, isn't it? These are challenging times for HNT, no doubt about it. But what does this mean for the future? How will this bearish trend impact the token's long-term performance? And most importantly, what can we expect moving forward? These are the questions we aim to answer. We'll be delving into the nitty-gritty details, the technical indicators, the market sentiment, the whole 9 yards. And hopefully, by the end of it all, we'll have a better understanding of where HNT stands and where it's headed. Stay with us as we delve deeper into the current state of HNT and explore its future possibilities. Let's take a closer look at the current situation of HNT. The Helium token, or HNT as it's commonly known, has been on quite a roller coaster ride. Recently, it's been experiencing a significant bearish trend. The current price stands at $4.12, marking a 5.22% intraday drop. Now, let's delve into the returns. On a monthly basis, the return ratio is negative 41.2%. Despite this, the yearly return shows a different story, boasting an impressive 120.87%. It's a testament to the unpredictable and dynamic nature of the crypto market. Turning our attention to the HNT to Bitcoin pair, it's currently at 0.0000673 BTC. This gives us some insight into HNT's performance in relation to the crypto giant Bitcoin. When it comes to market capitalization, HNT is valued at $403.7 million. This is a substantial figure, indicating the scale and reach of the Helium token, but it's not all rosy. The trading volume has decreased by 13.29%, now standing at $13.45 million. Adding another layer to this complex picture, the total supply of HNT is 97.7 million, with a volume to market cap ratio of 0.0321. This suggests that despite the decreased trading volume, there's still a significant amount of HNT circulating in the market. Now, let's talk about support and resistance levels. The support levels are at $4 and $3.7, while resistance levels are at $4.7 and $5.3. These levels give us an idea of the potential lows and highs HNT might reach in the short term. While these numbers may seem alarming, it's important to remember that the crypto market is inherently volatile. The tides can turn quickly and fortunes can be made or lost in the blink of an eye. Now that we've examined the figures, let's interpret what they mean for HNT's future. Despite the recent bearish trend, the market sentiment for Helium token remains neutral. This might seem surprising considering the current downward trajectory, but it's crucial to understand that market sentiment doesn't always match up with price movements. Now, let's delve into the technical indicators. The Relative Strength Index, or RSI, and the Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD, are both suggesting a bearish trend for HNT. These indicators are used to identify potential price reversals, and right now they're pointing towards more drops. The RSI measures the speed and change of price movements, and a low RSI usually indicates that a security may be oversold and due for a price correction. On the other hand, the MACD is a trend-following momentum indicator that shows the relationship between two moving averages of a security's price. But it's not just about price movements, we also need to consider social factors. In the case of HNT, both social dominance and discussion reports have decreased. This means that the buzz around HNT is fading, which could lead to lower demand and further price drops. We also see a decrease in long unwinding data and open interest. Long unwinding occurs when investors sell their positions due to unfavorable market conditions, leading to a decrease in open interest. This is typically seen as a negative signal, as it indicates that investors are becoming less interested in the asset. These indicators suggest a lack of buying activity. But what does this mean for HNT's future? So what can we expect from HNT in the near future? With the Helium token currently in a bearish trend, it's important to examine the potential price trajectory and overall market outlook for this cryptocurrency. Analysts have identified some key support and resistance levels that could provide insight into its future performance. Support levels act as a safety net for falling prices and can indicate a potential turnaround point. For HNT, these are currently set at $4 and $3.70. If the price of HNT falls to these levels, we might see a rally as buyers step in to purchase the token at a perceived discount. On the other hand, resistance levels represent points where selling pressure is expected to exceed buying pressure, potentially causing a price decline. For HNT, these levels are at $4.70 and $5.30. If the price reaches these points, it could be met with significant selling pressure, which could push the price back down. The overall market outlook for HNT is currently bearish, with expectations of further downside movement towards the $4 mark. This prediction is based on several factors, including the token's recent underperformance, decreased trading volume, and a lack of buying activity as evidenced by the price falling below the 23.6% Fibonacci level. However, it's crucial to remember that the crypto market is highly volatile and subject to rapid change. While the current outlook may be bearish, this could shift in response to a range of factors, including market sentiment, technical developments, and broader economic and geopolitical events. While the future may seem uncertain, remember that the world of crypto is always evolving, and today's bearish trend could be tomorrow's bull run. Stay tuned and keep an eye on HNT.